another case, I will show you what happened actually when we want to print on fabric that has its own texture on. You see that the fabric has its own texture. This is the nature of this kind of fabric. We don't want to change it. If we will stretch it too much, the fabric will lose its own texture, which is important, maybe important for the customer. So this is not okay. It should look like in a natural way. So in this case, the stretch will be a bit, just to be sure that the fabric placed okay. Checking with the fingers, it seems very flat, and this is the final result.